In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Crypto.com. Whether you're a newcomer to the world of digital currency or simply looking for a straightforward guide, this video will walk you through the process. Let's dive in and explore each step thoroughly to ensure you have everything you need to successfully manage your crypto transactions. First, you'll need to go to Crypto.com. It's one of the popular platforms for buying and selling cryptocurrency, offering a user-friendly interface and a wide range of options. Make sure you're on the official website to ensure the security of your transactions. Once you're on the Crypto.com home screen, your next step is to initiate a trade. Look for the Trade button, which is usually found prominently on the home screen, and click on it. This will open up a menu of various trading options. For this tutorial, you'll want to select Spot. This option allows you to engage in straightforward, immediate trading, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. Now, let's focus on the buying process. After selecting Spot, you'll see an option to buy. Click on that. You will then be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Crypto.com offers a wide variety of digital currencies, so take the time to decide which one suits your investment needs. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to enter the amount you'd like to purchase. Make sure to review the amount carefully, as this will impact your portfolio and budget. After entering the amount, confirm your purchase. Double-checking everything at this stage can help prevent any unwanted surprises. Moving on to selling cryptocurrency, the process mirrors buying to a large extent. Again, after selecting Spot, you'll see an option to sell. Click on that, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell from your existing portfolio. Just like buying, selling requires you to pick the right cryptocurrency and enter the amount you want to sell. When you're ready, confirm the sale. Keep in mind that market conditions can influence the price, so it's always a good idea to be aware of the current rates. Lastly, it's important to verify your transactions. To do this, head over to the Accounts section on Crypto.com. Here, you can check your balances, ensuring that both your buying and selling activities have been completed successfully. This step is crucial to maintaining an accurate overview of your cryptocurrency portfolio. And there you have it, a simple guide to buying and selling cryptocurrency on Crypto.com. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate the platform and take control of your digital assets. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is always evolving, so staying informed and cautious with your trades is key. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.